Good morning, Mr. Hernandez.
Good morning, Miss Green.
Did you have a nice weekend?
Oh yes, I did. Thanks for asking. I had a lovely week. Are you also here for a cup of water before returning to work? Maybe I could help you with that.
Oh, not at all. I don't really like to drink water that much. I was just stretching my legs due to my long hours of sitting.
I understand. But why don't you like to drink water, Miss Green?
I don't really have a reason. But since my childhood, I never liked drinking a lot of water. I hardly feel thirsty at all.
But that's not a healthy practice, Miss Green.
What does that have to do with health? I just never felt like drinking water. I could go a whole day with drinking only a glass of water and I'm okay to go. I only drink water after eating. That's all, then I'm perfectly fine.
Miss Green, it seems you don't know much about the safety of your kidney, is it? I think I'd have to explain a lot of stuff to you. But break time is almost over. So how about we meet up during the lunch break and talk about it?
Yeah, you're right. Sure, why not?
Okay then, see you later. I can't believe the harm Miss Green is bringing upon herself. And the worst thing is that she doesn't even know she's causing it herself. I've got to really tell her so she could help her health. Hello, Miss Green.
Hey, Mr. Hernandez. Earlier this morning, you told me about explaining to me about my kidney health. Please tell me.
Don't worry, Miss Green. I had already made up my mind to help you. You know, the kidneys are two bean-shaped organs in the size of a fist, which are located below the rib cage, each one on the side of your spine. But you see, a lot of people these days take the kidneys for granted. It seems to me that they don't really know the use of their kidneys, hence they don't take good care of it.
How?
The kidneys removes waste and extra water from our bodies as well as help to balance chemicals in our bodies. They also make hormones that control blood pressure and stimulate the bone marrows in our bodies to create red blood cells.
Wow. These kidneys sure are of importance. I didn't know they do a lot for us. But how does my lack of drinking water relate to this?
Miss Green, drinking of water is one of the healthiest choices when it comes to kidney health. Water helps the kidneys to remove waste in the form of urine. Water also helps nutrients to travel through the blood vessels. But if you become dehydrated, it's difficult for the delivery system to work.
Oh. I get it now. But the problem is that I don't feel thirsty for water unless I eat food.
You don't have to be hungry or thirsty to drink water. Just sip a little. But oftentimes, you should be able to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. It's very healthy. Apart from water to help your kidneys, you also need to eat the right foods.
The right foods? And what are those?
You need to have a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, nuts, animals and plants, proteins, some fats and oils.
So are there any foods I can avoid to keep my kidneys healthy?
Of course. Avoid foods with too much salts as well as oily foods such as regular canned foods, hot dogs, chicken tenders, sausages.
What? Oh no. Does it mean I should never eat them again?
Oh, that's not what I meant. You can eat them, but it should be once in a while, not a frequent diet. Plus, do not drink. Alcohol is one of the fastest way of destroying your kidneys. The youth these days are really destroying their kidneys because they are the majority who drink alcohol. Alcohol burns the kidneys little by little, so they don't even see the effects. The youths die at such early ages and cannot live long. This is because they destroy the kidneys in them, which is supposed to carry them through their lifetime by drinking alcohol and hot bitters.
It's sad.
But it's avoidable.
Really? How is that possible?
You can keep your kidneys stronger by being active and keeping fit, drinking a lot of water, managing your intake of sugar and salt, avoiding smoking and drinking as well as regular exercising. Do all this and you'll be very healthy.
Thank you very much, Mr. Hernandez. I really appreciate all your advice. I'll make sure to start acting on them. I'm sorry, but I'll have to leave now. The lunch break is over. and I think I feel like having a glass of water before going back to work.
That's nice. I'm happy I got to talk to Miss Green about the safety and health of her kidney. Dear viewers, I hope we all learned a thing or two about today's episode. Our kidneys are meant to carry us through our lifetime, and therefore we must see it as a precious organ to take care of. We should avoid drinking and smoking. We should drink lots of water and eat healthy. Don't forget to exercise. That's all for today then. See y'all later, but don't forget to subscribe and remember to share to your friends. God bless you.